Hello guys, today I will teach you one of the most important dish which one you can cook, and as well to prove that this is easy, my son will help with that. Okay, this dish name is goulash, or you can call it meat in sauce. It's very famous dish and I teach you how to cook it. Now I show you ingredient what we will use it. That means we need meat, we need onion, we need milk, we need sour cream, flour and ketchup. And we will do this with rigatoni. Will be super yummy. How to cut onion actually and clean it I show in previous video. If you watch it, you will see that. Now I will prepare everything and I show you how to cut meat. Finish. Okay guys, I'm already washed the meat. Now we should take out skin, because we not will cooking with skin and we will cut to the pieces. I show you how it's. Okay, skin we throw to the bin and start cutting meat to the squares, to the cube.
Hello guys, it's my turn to demonstrate on how to cut this piece of meat. So first, cut it in half. And then cut it into cubes. Make sure they're not too small or else they'll bone quicker. And that's it. Okay, now it's time to cut the onion. Cut it in half. And then we want rings.
Half ring. Okay guys, now we cut everything. And we will cook. Time to cook. We will use again same pan, and to make sauce you need actually deep pan. And first we put oil. And wait till oil became hot. After we put meat, but be careful because meat have a little bit water and juice and can splash. Okay guys, now our pan is quite hot, oil inside, and we carefully will put meat to fry it. I pull down from the fire to not splash and slowly place meat. We need fry now without lid, because we want that meat became like crispy on the top. Yeah, if you start mixing, temperature go down and your meat can become not crispy. This is life hack. Because our target leave all juice of meat inside and not be like stewed. Yeah, should be from outside like fried, but later we will stew it as well. That's it. Okay guys, now we fry a little bit meat and make sure you not fry too much, because with this meat we will fry onion. Should be like that. We put this onion and mix it. Okay, when onion will be almost fried, we put some ketchup and fry it. After ketchup, when it's been done, I think we put flour and fried it as well. Follow rules, we should stew this meat. And before people do that, because meat been very hard, but because we live now and quality of meat it's very increased and it's so soft and nice, that means for us stew is not actually necessary, and we without stewing actually save more time. Okay guys, now it's almost ready. You see how it should looks like onion, not fried too much, because when we put ketchup we continue frying, and as well we need fry flour. Yeah, that means if you fry too much onion, after it became black. Okay, here is ketchup, we not advertise, we put and start mixing. We should make sure ketchup is fried properly, because he now looks like watering and clear. When you start frying, it became more solid and darker texture. As well guys, I planning to do rigatoni. I put some water, and when water starts boiling, we put rigatoni and cook for 12 about minutes. Yeah, make sure when you frying pasta, you put always to the hot water. Now you see ketchup it's fried. You see how it looks like, absolutely different like before. Now we should put flour. We put 3 spoons of the flour. And keep mixing. This is very important. Don't stop, continue mixing. This is very important. Flour is ready when you not see white pieces. When it's fried from all the sides. And now our meat is ready to put milk. We need 3 glasses of milk. 1 glass, 2, 3. And continue mixing. If you keep attention, now milk start became thick. You see? That means we need slow down fire, and actually our dish is almost ready. Now we should put some salt. Some ground pepper. And little bit dill. Okay guys, now came time to put sour cream. Okay guys, water start boiling, we already put some salt, and now we put rigatoni. After, when you put rigatoni, you should straight away mix. Now we waiting till start boiling, and after take 12 minutes, and after that food will be ready, because our meat is already ready, and just we left wait for 10 minutes for rigatoni. And we can eat. Now as the macaroni is ready, and I take out all water, and now one more very important life hack to make your macaroni more nicer for flavor, and to not make and prevent them to stick together. We use butter. We put little bit butter and put to macaroni and mix. As well, now you can see that it's a lot of steam. To take out a lot of steam, and macaroni to become a little bit more dry, you need just for a few seconds place on the fire. And this is two very important life hacks. Yeah, that's it. You see, rigatoni, it's ready. Our goulash, it's ready. Now we prepare a nice plate, and our assistant will try it. See you.
This is my review on this dish. I hope you guys enjoy it and make it yourself, and tell us how yours turned out. Now let's try it. The meat is really nice and tender. All the flavors combined is just amazing. You 100% have to make this dish. I say, how will yours turn out? Tell us how will
feel
yours.
me.
What, like
Like now.
what? Trying the dish.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, guys, one more life hack. Which one? It's very important. For example, if you have very hard meat and you decide to stew it, I tell you when you should do. After you fried ketchup, you should put some water and stew till meat became softer. After, you should wait till water disappear, evaporate, and after you should make sure as well you have oil and put flour, start frying, and after do as I do, and you will get best result of this dish. I think you will enjoy it. This is professional dish. This is not my personal. This is pro cook dish. Good luck.